In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the link color in Webflow. This process is simple, yet essential for customizing the aesthetics of your website, ensuring that your links stand out clearly while blending seamlessly with your chosen design. Whether you're working on a personal blog, a corporate site, or an e-commerce platform, getting the link color just right can really enhance user experience and visual appeal. Let's start by navigating over to the Webflow website. Go to your preferred browser and type in webflow.com. If you don't have a Webflow account yet, take a moment to sign up. But for now, let's assume you already have an account. Once you're on the home page, click on the Login button located at the top right of the page. This will prompt you to enter your credentials to access the dashboard. It's a straightforward process, but if you face any issues logging in, make sure to check that your username and password are correct. Once successfully logged in, you'll arrive at your Webflow dashboard. Here you'll see a list of your existing projects, or if you're new, the options to create a new one. For the purpose of this tutorial, click on the project where you want to change the link color. This will open the project editor where you can make all sorts of visual and functional changes to your website. Now, within your project, you need to locate the link you'd like to modify. Use the navigator panel on the left to help you find it. If your web page contains multiple links, take your time to identify the specific link whose color you want to change. With the right link selected, the next step is to access the styling options. On the right-hand side, you'll find the Style panel. This is where all the magic happens in terms of aesthetics. Click on Style, which directs you to further editing options such as fonts, backgrounds, and of course colors. From here, look for the Color section within the Style panel. It usually appears as a color swatch or a hex code input box. Once you're in the Color section, you're free to choose your desired color. You can do this by simply clicking on the current color to bring up the color picker. Whether it's a vibrant red, a cool blue, or even something more subtle, just move the cursor across the color palette or input a hex code to make your selection. And there you have it. Your link color is changed. Don't forget to save your changes to ensure they reflect when the website is published or previewed. This simple adjustment can have a significant impact, making your site more engaging and easier to navigate. Thank you for watching, and happy designing with Webflow.